Good morning, everyone. My name is Shrapriyansi. I study in class 1. Today I am going to tell you a story. The story name is A Greedy Dog. There was a dog. One day the dog was very hungry. The dog started searching food everywhere. At last he found a juicy bowl. The dog became very happy. On the way, while crossing the bridge, the dog looked into the water and saw there was another dog holding a bone with his mouth. The dog said, "I want that bone too." The dog became very greedy. When the dog opened his mouth to bark at another dog, the bone slipped from his mouth and fell into the water. Then the dog realized that was his own reflection. The dog became very sad. The dog came back home with empty stomach. The moral of the story is we must not be greedy. Thank you.